What's up, friends, and welcome back to the channel. And today, Sunday, August 3rd, a new and exciting video for you today. We have some of the best-selling items all over social media, and they do like to call these Amazon creator favorites. If you see anything you like in today's video, the link will be available in the description box. And don't forget about our super awesome giveaway. Link will be in the comments section for the Ion Bluetooth wireless speaker. And starting the video off in the number one spot, we have an inexpensive 9-drawer dresser. Now the drawers do have a fabric material, but the frame is made out of a sturdy steel, has a nice beautiful wooden top to it. It's very inexpensive. The lowest price in 30 days. It's 39.4 inches by 39.4, $64.99. And let me just quickly remind you, at some point in this video, we are going to do a secret code for the giveaway. Make sure you look out for that code. In the number two spot from Alpha Grillers, we have a nice 4-pack of grilling accessories. We get the spatula, we get the fork, we get the brush, and we also get the tong kit. This is a nice stainless steel kit here, 34% savings at $32.98. This also makes a great gift if you have anyone's birthday coming up. Fantastic deal. And moving on to the number three spot, we have the very popular Hoto. This is their electric screwdriver kit, and it does come with a 25-piece bit set. Has 3 different torque settings, which is awesome. It's 3.6 volts. It's rechargeable. It's a very nice screwdriver. Fantastic reviews, going for $59.99. So even though every item in today's video is not the least expensive that we have seen, this is just what's popular across social media. This one from StorageWorks, this is their under the bed storage bins, 10 inches in height, 30 inches in depth, and 15.75 of inches in width. Now this is a very cool item to pick up. It does help you keep everything nice and organized at your household. 77-liter large capacity at $40.99. Even though some items still might be a little bit on the expensive side, I do like to check the price history. This one from BagSmart, pretty sweet deal here. This is their tactical gym bag for men or for ladies, 33 liters, and it does have nice built-in compartments. Also has a pretty sweet water bottle holder that can hold up to a 40-ounce bottle, which I like. 40% savings here, $29.99. But is it an actual 40% savings? We do have to check the price history on that. If we scroll down and have a look, we can see this bag normally was about $51, $52. Then it dropped down to $49, $45, and then $39. Now it's all the way down to $29.99. As most of you know, I do like to be 100% transparent on my channel. If you click any of the links in the description box, I do get paid a small commission. It's the same price. It doesn't cost you anything. Whether you look it up on your own or whether you click the link, it's the same price. If you click the link, you just support the channel. If you look it up on your own, that's fine as well. These are the high-waisted biker shorts. We have the 8-inch, we have the 5-inch, and we have the 3-inch. What's even better is we have a nice 20% off coupon. Click that coupon code, and that will get the price down to $7.58. If you're not a fan of the biker shorts, we do have the high-waisted yoga pants. Now these are super popular because they're high-waisted. They have that nice tummy control, keeping everything nice and tight, has that good compression. Now these are super popular here on Amazon as well as social media, $19 even. And we often saw this brand on my Costco videos from Zebra. We have their Click Art retractable marker pens. Now these are super nice. They have a very fine tip to them, and they do come in a pack of 12. They also have some neutral colors, which is very nice. Now what I like about these pens, they're water-based. They go for $19.54. I know a lot of my viewers watch my Costco videos. As most of you know by now, Costco just started selling Wyze cameras. They actually sell the floodlight as well. So the floodlight has to be hardwired. But if you don't want to hardwire it, you can actually buy this little gadget here. So what it comes with an electrical box and a cable. So that way you can skip the hardwire and you can just plug it into an outlet instead. Super cool little gadget here for the Wyze camera, $19.98. And speaking of Wyze, this is why they're so popular. They're super inexpensive. This is their V4 camera here, only $32.43. This is great whether you're indoor or outdoor. It has a two-way audio talk. It works with Google, it works with Alexa. Super cool camera here, very inexpensive, $32.43. Another awesome product from Wyze, this is their lamp socket power adapter. So what you do, if you don't have an outlet outdoors, you can unscrew a light bulb and then you want to screw this gadget into the light bulb, which has a USB outlet on it. So that way you can have power where you don't have power. You can hook up your camera right to that outlet and you are good to go. Super cool item here from Wyze. Very inexpensive, only $11.94. This allows you to get power in spaces where you normally don't have a socket, which is pretty awesome. Every item in today's video is super popular across social media. Now this is another very popular item from Wyze. This is their window mount. It gives you the ability to mount the camera inside the house instead of outside the house. Super cool product. Now it's temporarily out of stock, but hopefully by the time I do post this video, it goes back in stock. It is under $10. So when it comes to dash cams here on Amazon, everyone should own one, especially if you do a lot of driving. Now, if you haven't heard of Project Farm, they do put out some pretty amazing content on YouTube. They have a dash cam video that I am going to leave a link to in the comment section, just in case you want to check out his channel. Make sure you watch it if you are interested. They put out some amazing content. Now, we have this dash cam right here, but you do have to pay close attention. You can buy this dash cam for only $280. How? Just come down right here, click this redeem button, just click on it, and that will get the price down to $279.99. So if you don't feel like spending $280, you can just buy the regular A229 Plus dash cam. This one is just as good. Very nice camera. It's a lot less expensive at $199.99. And before you know it, in 30 days, it's back to school. We have the Under Armour Unisex. This is their Freedom Backpack. Super cool backpack for a limited time deal here. $41.25. What's cool about this backpack, it also has a water bottle holder that does fit up to a 32-ounce water bottle. Another one for the ladies from the very popular Trendy Queen. We have their oversized sweatshirts. Now these are very popular as well. These goes for $29.99. You can see there we have so many different colors to choose from. Super popular all over social media. Also from Trendy Queen, another very popular item, a little bit more fitted. We have the women's hoodies. Now these normally are on sale for $19.99. So if you see it for $24, just wait till it drops down to $19.99 unless you need it now. Another very popular item from Trendy Queen. And I do have one more for the ladies from Trendy Queen. These are the basic t-shirts, the 2025 models. Now these are very nice, very fitted as you can see. Cute little tops here. And they're only going for $17.99. We have so many different colors to choose from. If you know, I am remodeling my kitchen and all my smoke detectors are now compromised because of all the dust. So I did pick these up. These are from Xsense. These are smart smoke detectors. Now these are the battery operated. They're combinations. So these are smoke and CO combined, which is pretty awesome. Nice 20% discount here. You can link them right up to the app, which is excellent. Now these go for $160 even. Another great deal from Xsense, we have their 10-year battery combination smoke detectors. Now this does come in a 3-pack here. These are the standalone models, so make sure you do your research before you do buy these. There's a few different types to choose from. This is a limited time deal for only $89.99. And check out this awesome product from Syma. Now I have purchased their helicopters from Syma. I haven't tried out this drone. This is great. It has a 20-minute runtime. Does 360 flips here. If you got any little ones at home, this would be a super cool item to buy and fly around your home. 15% off at $42.49. So this is the actual helicopter that I do own from Syma. It's super fun, works amazing, super simple to use. My son loves it. Now I do like it a lot. It's the Army helicopter, looks very realistic. I like it a lot. It's small, it's compact. I can actually fly it around the house super easy. $47.99. So when it comes to our little ones, I'm pretty sure most of you have heard of this brand, Lovevery. They make the best developmental products on the market. Now this one is a newborn gift set. They make the best toys, the best products. The only problem is they're super expensive. They make it for different age groups, but a lot of us have little ones who do need developmental toys, and they make the best out there without a doubt. So if you know somebody who's expecting, this makes an unbelievable gift. The only issue is it's super expensive, but it is amazing. Great product, $250. Another great super gift idea from Eric Call. We have the Hungry Caterpillar. Also comes with some bonus magnetic building toys. Super cool little gift set here. This is awesome. So we have the Hungry Caterpillar, we got the polar bear, and we also have the brown bear as well. Limited time deal, $32. We have a 10% off coupon code as well. And we have the 2-pack of zero gravity chairs from Best Choice. These are mesh, and these are the #1 best sellers, going for $99.99. Great little chairs here. Plenty of colors to choose from as well, which is nice. Only $99.99. Another great little gift idea from Frida Baby. I actually need this one myself. I'm struggling with the potty training. We have their all-in-one potty, their training toilet, we have their potty chair. Super cool little setup here. I think I'm going to buy this myself. It's a little bit on the expensive side, but it does come with everything you need, going for $59.99. As most of you who watch my Costco videos, they do sell the Soundcore Boom. This is now available on Amazon as well. This is made by Anker, if you didn't know. It's also very rugged. I like the lights on the outside. I kind of like this one a lot. I wish the Bluetooth speaker that I was giving away has the built-in lights. This is super cool. It also floats, if you didn't know that. It's 50 watts, has 16 hours of playtime. Super cool, $89.99. And now from Little Bissell, we have their green mini cordless portable carpet cleaner. I've talked about this a few times on the channel. I love this little machine here. Super cool if you have any messes around your household. I like to do my stair runners very often. Keeps them nice and clean. $114.99. It's no secret by now that everyone knows that I like to complain about the Dyson vacuum at Costco. $700? That's ridiculous. Look at this one from Bissell, #1 bestseller, their Clean View XR Pet Vacuum. Super awesome, has the lights in the front, has the removable battery. How can you complain? $157, sweet deal. And if you're looking for a milk frother for the go, something that's rechargeable as well and powerful, this one from Zule is awesome. I actually own it. I like it a lot. Works very well. You don't need it to make cappuccinos. You can use it to mix up your protein shakes, or maybe you do some green juice in the morning that does need a little bit of stirring. Super cool. You can also do scrambled eggs. I actually bought it in December last year. You can see right there. Very nice. $16.99. If you're enjoying today's video so far, friends, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I am going to try to keep this Amazon video a little bit on the shorter side. That way you can watch the whole video. If you like it, let me know. I'll easily make a part 2. This is the Physician Choice Probiotics. It's their weight management pill. Great for bloating, great for weight management. Has the green tea, has the cayenne extract. Pretty cool product here. $56.97. And this one from Physician Choice, the #1 bestseller. This is their 60 billion probiotics. Great for digestive health, great for bloating, constipation. And you can see here we have an excellent 40% off coupon code. Just come down, click this coupon code for an additional 40% off. And everyone knows by now I do love sports research. This is their vitamin B12, but check it out here. We have 30% off, but we also have an additional 20% off coupon code. Don't forget about that as well when you subscribe and save. Pretty awesome deal here. And if you're trying to shed some of that weight, from eTech City, we have their Smart Food Scale. We've often seen this all over social media where it does calculate your macros, which is pretty cool. A limited time deal here. Very sweet, $35.99. And if you love the eTech City Smart Food Scale, you might as well pair it up with the Smart Body Scale. Another great item here from eTech City. It's actually the #1 bestseller. A limited time deal here. You can grab this Smart Scale for $42.49. And I know we definitely have some Sam's Club fans. If you do have any of the work products, this is great to pair up a 10-inch cordless chainsaw. It does take the 20-volt battery from Works. Very nice limited time deal here for only $99.99. Don't forget to buy some chain oil if you do buy it. If you watched my Costco clearance video from the other day, I did showcase the cantilever umbrella, but check out this deal. That one was $400 on clearance. This one's only $170 from Best Choice. It's a 10-foot solar LED umbrella here. Very nice. It's a cantilever umbrella. Very cool price here. Not too expensive. Now the one at Costco was on clearance for $400. This one's only $170. So when it comes to dash cans, if you don't feel like spending a lot of money and you're looking for something good, this is the next best option from Red Tiger. It's their 4K dash cam, but we have a $20 off coupon code, which is pretty awesome. Click this coupon code and that will get the price down to only $80. And too much cell phone time, no bueno. You're always putting stress on your neck if you are looking down. Now, the shiatsu massager can relieve some of that stress, applying a little bit of heat, but you can do other body parts besides your neck. You can do your back, you can do your legs. It's a pretty versatile massager here. Now, today, even though it's $54, we do have a 10% off discount code you can apply, bringing down that price. And let's not forget about our electrolytes from Ultima. If you're on keto, carnivore, low carb, and you do need to replenish those electrolytes, definitely check out this product. We do have a few different flavors to choose from. 30 servings per container, $18.89. If you're a fan like I am and you do love the Ultima electrolytes, we have the 90 servings also available at a great price. Make sure you subscribe and save. Get the price down, $40.49. And I almost forgot about the Sports Research Vitamin D3. Don't forget about this one. It has the K2 and it has the coconut oil. They sell it at Costco as well, but check out this price, $21.55, but we have an additional 40% off coupon code. Click that coupon code. That will get the price down to $12.93. And we all know the importance of hydration. We have the Brita Ultra Max. This is their large water dispenser. It's BPA free, obviously. It includes one filter. It's 27 cup capacity. What I love about it, you can just put it in the fridge and leave it there. Super cool. And we do have a nice coupon code where they're taking about $4 off. Just click that coupon code. That will get the price down to $34. Another great deal from Zule. We have their kitchen 6-piece wooden cooking spoons. Now these are also heat resistant. They're teak utensils. Super awesome deal here for 34% savings, bringing the price down to $26.59. What a great deal. If you're looking for a new set of headphones, check out these from Monsters. These are pretty nice. They're IPX8, so they are waterproof. Bluetooth 5.3. They have the noise reduction, fast charging. These are very nice from Monster. Amazon's Choice, $39.99. Another great product from Monster, we have their Bluetooth speaker, IPX8, so it is shower waterproof, Bluetooth 5.4, sounds amazing. The price is even better at $23.69. This is a great buy. At the current moment, let's take a quick peek at the customers' most loved items at the moment. This is from Amazon. Now we'll take a quick peek. I'll also leave a link in the description box if you do want to check out this page. Very cool items here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you come down, you subscribe to the channel. Also, friends, if you want to support the channel, click the links in the description box. If not, just click that thumbs up button. Help the channel grow. We're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. Thank you. At 50, let's get to 100. All right, friends, I'll see you tomorrow with a new Costco video. I hope everyone had the chance to relax this weekend, spend some time with the family. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video. Peace.